Organizing. What is organizing? The process of establishing orderly uses for all resources within the management system. Certo and Certo, 2010. Organizing involves determining how activities and resources are to be grouped. Griffin, 2016. The management function concerned with assigning tasks, grouping tasks into departments and allocating resources to departments. The deployment of organizational resources to achieve strategic goals. Sampson et al., 2021. The process of organizing. 1. Identification of work. 2. Dividing workload into jobs. 3. Grouping jobs into departments. 4. Deciding spans of management. 5. Delegating authority and responsibility. 6. Allocation of resources. 7. Establishing coordinating mechanisms.